Hey, what's up YouTube? Good afternoon from Pasig City, Metro Manila, Philippines. Nice day today. It's a little bit cloudy, but it's been pretty hot and hasn't been raining in this immediate area too much. But yeah, so today's plan is to check out a bunch of museums in Rizal Park. I think we were thinking about going there last time, but yeah, we're gonna go there today and check out a bunch of museums. So yeah, let me get the rest of my stuff ready and I'll see you guys in a bit. I don't want one. Yeah. I don't. You're not getting it?
No, I just wanted to try.
Huh? Why?
That one is sweet potato. They also do it like that.
How come you're not getting it?
We're going to the museum. I just wanted to try it in case you didn't try that yet.
I tried it before at your house. I tried it at... Yeah. Remember they brought it over for the party or whatever?
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I think it's Harley's house.
Oh, right. Yeah. Here we are at Rizal Park.
You can bring this inside. This is
Meron yan. Kay Mama Pa. 안녕하세요.
Museum, Natural History. Taking a picture.
Actually, ride the elevator inside.
Oh wow. We have a monkey eating eagle here. The sperm whale bone. Yeah, so far everything has been free. It's free, right?
Yeah, it's free.
Yeah, the train ride was free, the entrance was free. It's a holiday this weekend for in the Philippines. It's like a, I think they call it like Heroes Day. I think it's similar to
Labor Day.
Labor Day.
Yeah.
I thought it was. The guy told me yesterday it was like a Heroes Day.
Really?
Yeah, it's for, that would be closer to like Veterans Day in America. Like we have Veterans Day. I think it's similar to that. I could be wrong. I don't know. Maybe it's Labor Day is for workers, not for heroes.
Labor Day.
Tuna, yellowfin tuna. Got a submarine over here. Wanna check out the submarine? Huh? Check out the submarine. It's pretty much nothing. There's just a TV in there.
Do you wanna be?
Check out this gigantic clam. No more meat. Some art here. So yeah, I was told to put the camera away. And then they specifically said no live streaming. It's probably because of that Vitaly is in jail for nuisance streaming. So they probably trying to be careful with any kind of streamers. I'm not a streamer, but yeah, I do record vlogs. Some leaves. I don't know what's special about these leaves. Got a dead bird here, a little bird. What's this?
Warty pig.
Oh, Filipino pig.
Warty pig. I don't know why warty.
Do they make lechon out of this?
I don't know. But I'm worried about the mean that it has water. No.
Here we have a crazy looking monkey. Macaque. This guy looks like he got rabies though. Definitely gonna throw poo at you. They're from Thailand. They made it like a rainforest. Yeah, that flower, it's like that stinky flower. It smells like rotting meat. It smells like rotting meat. It attracts flies and then it eats the flies. Like in the middle right there. Yeah, it smells like rotting meat. Yeah, the size of this. I was told this is a real taxidermy crocodile. Alright, we're headed to the next museum. That one, National Museum of Anthropology. Yeah, it's gonna close in about an hour, so yeah, we gotta head over there and get it in. Here we have some limestone sculptures.
From Mindanao.
Some wood statues from Luzon.
Our house
Look at his dick.
is
Yeah, he got a big old dick. This guy got a small dick. His dick is the same size as this guy.
They cut his
They got wooden swords. Oh, it's a coffin lid. Oh, it locks the coffin lid in place. Like, what's the point of a wooden sword? Some hats. Some weapons down here. Some nice spears. Swords. Yeah, it's it started raining earlier. Yeah, it was pretty heavy downpour, but it was only for like 5 minutes or something. Yeah, it's like sprinkling now. And yeah. Check out this Korean barbecue place. Huh? Unlimited Korean barbecue.